Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlogs. Today I am making a daily vlogs. I mean my daily life vlogs. And yeah, tomorrow I am not going to school because tomorrow I have lot of work. I am going outside and do some work. I have some work. I have lot of work, and you can know that I am editing the video, and tomorrow is I don't know I am make or not. I have a time I can make. I don't have any time and I will not make. I not sure, but sorry for tomorrow. But no problem. I will have 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I will make, yeah. But no problem. I will make, yeah. Uh, Today is very not not good day. Today is very bad day. Today is my sport day. You can see that my uniform. Yeah, here we go. Today is sports day in my school, and sport is very awesome day. I love Monday because it's sports day, and I love Monday. And today I am not going to school, but sorry, I can say you I can review camera. I order, but he's not deliver right now. I don't know what happened with Lazada. I don't know what happened with Lazada, but I will order right now, but he's not delivered. 3 days ago, the Lazada is fuck. Sorry, I am bad. I am bad. I am using bad, bad words, but it's not delivered right now. Yeah, here we go. But I have something to show you right now. Today I am very full, and I'm eating some. I just ate some McDonald's. First, I'm going when came back to school. I go McDonald's and eat some McDonald's, and my one friends came in the McDonald's. He said, "Let's go eat KFC." I will shocked. Okay, you are maroon. You don't see that. I just eat McDonald's. I am very full. But he said, "If you don't come with me, I am not your friend." Yeah. Oh, are you serious, man? Are you serious? I am full right now. How I will eat? He say, you can eat. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we can go first McDonald's, and yeah, here McDonald's, and yeah, walk, done, and have some KFC. Yeah, walk. I think 1 kilometer only. Yeah, 1 kilometer only. Yeah, I will eat KFC and McDonald's. My brothers, my big brother saying me, you are right now, you are fat, very fat. I am fat, I don't know, but I am go to gym. But my mom say me, don't go to gym. You are only 13 years old. You can't go gym. But I can say I go gym. I want 6 packs, 8 packs. But he said don't go gym. What I will do, I don't know. But today I have some plan. I have some things to eat. But I am full right now. I don't eat. But some I what American. My friend in America, he's parcel me some eating thing like very no America, Japan, yeah, Japan. He's in Japan and he's parcel me very good. I did not eat right now, but I can show you, and I will eat. First I will do some break. Yeah, my pet is I'm so full right now. Full. I'm so full right now. I have you. Yeah, he's my brother friends. He say, where is Ronnie? My brother's nickname is Ronnie, and he's a very strong. But my brother full name is Talha After. My name is Hamza After. My younger brother name is Usman After. Yeah, let's go. I will have some. I can show you right now in my pockets. I will put my in pocket. I don't know if it's sponsored or not, but I don't show you the company. It's sponsored. I know that it's biscuit. Yeah. Let's go and eat it. I am so full. Oh. It's like that, man. Yeah. Delicious. I'm eating KFC McDonald's, but I don't eat any dessert. Nah, I am thinking I make video and eat some dessert. Make sure like, subscribe. Giveaways iPhone 7. I can say you all video. I will give away as iPhone 7. Delicious. I like that. Bike, red heavy bike. No. I just finish it. We have some kitten. I don't like kids. I will say bye right now. This is a heavy bike. I will go right now. I can say bye. Okay, bye. See you to next video. Like, smash like, smash subscribe. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed right now. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.